Oh no, it's 7:30. We're late. Sara, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it?
7:30? Our flight is at 10:00.
10? Oh no. Okay, let's move. Arooj, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today. We're going to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica? Jungle and monkeys? Yes, but only if we catch the plane. I'm up! Where's my yellow jacket?
In your drawer. And Fahad, find your shoes, please.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under your pillow again.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks. Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us, of course. No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and book.
Okay, sweetie. Fahad, what about you?
I packed my favorite hat.
Only that? What about clothes?
Oh, right. Clothes too.
Not funny, Fahad. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Sweet, you look fine. You always look fine.
Nice try, honey. But still comb time.
Passports, check. Tickets, check. Snacks, check. Chargers, double check. Perfect, we're ready.
Wait, my monkey toy again.
On the couch. Got it. Let's go before we miss the flight. Taxi's here. Everyone move.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I locked it, I think.
Okay, no turning back. Let's go.
I want the window seat. Mom, look at the clouds.
Those clouds will follow us all the way.
If traffic stays clear, we'll make it.
We're not late, right?
Not yet. And we're together. That's what matters.
There it is. Airport ahead.
Wow, it's so big.
Follow me.
Gate closes in 40 minutes.
Mom, am I allowed to bring my monkey? Of course, buddy.
Good morning. 3 tickets to Costa Rica.
You're just in time.
I thought we'd miss it.
Security next. No delays.
Why do we have to?
It's part of the adventure. Gate 23. Let's go.
Are we really flying?
Yes. Up into the sky.
Mom, everything is so green.
Welcome to Costa Rica.
Are the monkeys here?
Soon. Very soon. Our ride's waiting.
This is better than the taxi.
Look at this jungle.
Do you hear that too?
Up there.
Monkeys! You were right.
Worth every rush.
Can we stay forever?
We'll carry this with us.
Adventure has just begun.
Best trip ever.